Psychopath.
YouTube, what is good? Now your boy Bobby Sneaker World had an epic fail today. I went and got my shattered backboards. Had two pair, size 10, size 7.5. And what did my dumb ass do but record the video like this?
Bruh.
Half of my damn head is missing in the whole video, the whole review of the video. Maybe I'll put it up on the screen somewhere and show y'all how terrible, how much of an epic fail it was. And I was too tired and lazy to re-record it. So now, after a couple W's on the shattered backboards, I'm gonna go to the Nike outlet and see if I can get something for 20% off. Lego. Alright y'all, so I'm in the Nike outlet out here in Sunbury, Ohio. This joint is usually very hit or miss, but I do want to get out here and take advantage of any time that I can try to find me a deal or a steal. And we're gonna see what they got. It's been a little while since I've been to this particular outlet. So let's see what they got. So right off bat, you can see that they got the Paul Georges. If y'all don't know the story behind these, he is an avid fisherman and chess player. That's where they come from. And they're only going for $110. It's not a bad price. I don't think I could walk around with trout on my feet, but you know, to each his own. And these are never going to go away. This price is good. But like I always say, man, this is getting way too hot to be walking around in some extra high Air Force Ones. It's crowded in here today, so I apologize for being so close to the sneakers. Got these 5s in here. They won't for them. They all the way down to $279. Let's see if they actually got them on the rack somewhere though. I'm a huge LeBron fan, but what are those? Terrible.
You wanna try that?
It's not looking like it's gonna be the best day out here at the outlet. We hit the hash wall in a minute. Get some fatigues. You get your lows all the way down to $65. That's not bad. Oh, these all black joints ain't bad. Especially for $74. I'm not mad at those. Get your All-Star ones for $110. You got your Olive 13s for $129. Got a few sizes. Don't got full size run, but these need not be retail no more. I don't know why they are, but I don't know. Let's go down the Air Max aisle. See what we got. Alright, well now let's see what's on the hash wall. If there's nothing in here, I'm probably gonna take myself with the burgundy LeBrons, the Soldiers 110, with the multicolored KDs again, 120. Got a bunch of Bonafides. Got the all black utility special forces. Air Force One. Good, good. 110. That is a decent like running shoe. I would try that on if it was a little bit cheaper. I feel like that should be like an $80 sneaker. I'm not seeing anything that jumps out at me right now. Got these hideous shocks. 150. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything. Let's go down to the kids. Alright, I'm gonna walk through the kids section real quick, and then I'll probably get out of here. Not really seeing anything that's jumping out at me crazy that I have to take out of the store today. But it was good to get out. If I feel like driving to Jeffersonville outlet, maybe we'll do that. Got the Fichetta Tans. Alright, y'all. Let's see if we make another stop.